Spurge here, and in this video we are going to break down the Alpinestars Aeroshell Airflow Pants. So, if you were checking out the Aeroshell jacket video and you made your way over here, really what's unique about this is that there's not really much else within Alpinestars line or other manufacturers' lines that look like this, at least not yet. So this is kind of like a jogger style sweatpant meets a motorcycle pant. So the material that's being used here is a full stretch material. You've got the knit cuff at the bottom, you got the drawstring at the top. We'll get into all of that, but from a style standpoint, this really does set itself apart from other options out there for riding pants. So this is coming around the $260 price point. If you are looking at this and you're like, this isn't my speed, you can check out riding jeans from Alpinestars. They are big into like protection, but with casual aesthetics. And this is taking a new departure away from like the regular riding jeans that you might already choose. So the legs on my left belong to Norman. And Norman stands at 6'3". He weighs in at 220 pounds. Typically, his American jean size is a size 34. His waist around the belly button measures at 38.5 inches. And according to Alpinestars size chart, that would put him in a 2XL. He's actually wearing an extra large and it fits him very comfortably. So if you are looking at this and you're between two sizes or you're on the bottom half of the size recommendation, we would recommend sizing down to the smaller size to give you, again, a little bit more of this athletic fit to it. If you have a larger waist but skinnier legs, you might want to stick with what Alpinestars recommends. Sizes will range from an extra small all the way up to a 4XL, so a wide size range for this. Two different colors. This is the all black, and then there's more of like the traditional gray sweatpant with the black accent to it. So I particularly like this color a little bit more. I think Pat gravitates towards the gray a little bit more because it looks more like that traditional sweatpant. This looks a little bit more formal until you get up close and you can actually touch the material and feel what you're looking at here. So let's talk about that. So the material being used is a stretch polyester that's combined with a polyamide mix, and you're going to have some mesh panels worked in as well. So what that means, it's just a very comfortable, soft to the hand stretch material that's also rated for CE level A abrasion resistance. So you are getting abrasion resistance in with this. If you start at the top, the one note that I will make here is that it is simply just a drawstring design. So, in my mind, if I'm wearing a pair of motorcycle pants, I want something that, has a little bit more security to the top. So I'm a little bit nervous around the drawstring design, but it does have connection loops. So you want to make sure that if you're wearing this with a riding jacket, you are looping this up to the riding jacket so you don't worry about the pants coming undone in a tumbling situation. As you work your way down, so the material on this is going to have just a little bit of perforation throughout, and it's all that laser perf done really nicely, kind of sleekly hidden almost in the black. The pockets on this are zipper entry pockets for both sides, and there's little pops of Alpinestars logos throughout, done asymmetrically, so it's going to be on the left-hand side. We'll get a better shot of that as we bring Norman around. But I like it because it's a blacked out Alpinestars logo with just a hint of red popping out from underneath. From the armor standpoint, so we talked about the fact that this is CE rated for an A level abrasion resistance. The armor on this is twofold. It does have the BioFlex, the older CE1 BioFlex armor in the hip. And then for the knee, it is the new Nucleon Flex Plus. Very lightweight, very comfortable, very breathable. Both are offering CE level impact protection. So you have CE level 1 protection at the hips as well as the knee included. When you get down to the bottom, again, a little bit more localized perf, and then just that knit style cuff at the bottom of these, again, really kind of tying in that jogger trainer style aesthetic to a motorcycle pair of pants. Norman, go ahead and face sideways for me. As you take a look here, you can see what I was talking about. So asymmetrically done, there's an Alpinestars logo on the back right leg on this, and just a little bit of red kind of peeking out, so it's not just a black on black. Really cool in the way they're incorporating their logos with this. You can see behind the knee where you tend to overheat a little bit in riding pants, that local perforation adding a bit of breathability, and that knit cuff at the bottom. So go ahead and face backwards for me. No additional reinforcement in the seat. that probably would have been nice, but it would have taken away from the aesthetic. So again, you can see Alpinestars really focusing on the aesthetic on this. So still CE rated for abrasion resistance, but no extra reinforcements at the seat. Norman, you can go ahead and just face towards me for a second because I want to just highlight, thank you. This is that Alpinestars logo that I was talking about, done asymmetrically. So on the back, it's on the right leg. On the front, it's on the left leg. And maybe you can get a better view of it there, just with that pop of red peeking out from underneath. Sir, you may face forward. So the Alpinestars Aeroshell Airflow Pants. Super unique, innovative step forward for someone looking for more of an urban, low speed motorcycle pant. Getting your CE level A abrasion resistant in here, getting your impact armor, but not with that traditional motorcycle jean style. And there's a lot of people out there that are gravitating towards more of this kind of a relaxed fit. Definitely a very comfortable pair of pants to wear, but with a shift in style away from a traditional riding jean or riding motorcycle pant. So, if you want more information from what other riders have to say, you can click the info button on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you over to the product page and you can read other rider reviews. If you are still curious as to where these compare versus other options you're looking at, you could always reach out to one of our customer service reps and they can walk you through all the different options available to make sure that you find the right pair of riding pants to match up with your riding style, your budget, as well as to pair correctly with the jacket that you're already using. So we are here to help. Hopefully this has kind of given you the informational base for this neat new product from Alpinestars. I'm Spurge. Thank you for joining us today. Enjoy the ride.